Hey guys, Andy here from T and Andy, and today I am bringing you an item that some people actually have called a luxury when they're camping or on the trail. Personally, I feel like this item is such a necessity that it is actually something we pack with us always, and it actually just sits in the bag. What I'm talking about is a pillow. Okay, so science has shown that getting a good night's sleep is the best thing you can possibly do for yourself when you're on the trail. And having a pillow will give you that good neck elevation to keep it nice and straight in line with your body, and you'll have plenty of much more fun with it if you don't have a stiff neck. So let's take a look at this Trekology pillow that I am going to review today. What I have with us today is a deluxe inflatable pillow. Now, I haven't looked at it yet, but judging by the picture, what is super deluxe about it is that it has this liner on top. So I'm really excited to see it when it's opened up. So let's take a look. As always, these pillows come in a nice pouch. It's even labeled. Look, you have a comfortable cover latch and latch, something like that. Let's take a look at the pillow itself. Okay, part number one that I'm pulling out, or maybe all of it, I think it's all bundled in one. Wow, struggles. Oh, is it attached? Oh, I see why I was struggling so hard. This is actually attached to this outer stuff bag thingy majiggy. Or is it? Oh, it's the whole thing. Oh, I see. The actual thing is attached to the cover, the deluxe cover. I actually really like this. We sometimes lose this. Well, we always eventually find it, but these little pouches get lost in the tent a lot. So as long as it doesn't disturb with my sleep, I really love the fact that this is attached right to the main portion of the pillow. So, okay, let's start with the pillow itself. It is the worst if the pillow deflates. It totally defeats the purpose, and it's just really annoying having to wake up at night to pump this thing back up. So this looks pretty good. The material is made out of TPU, and I see Tia nodding at me behind the camera, so yes it is. And I love it when products have this sealed lining here. This is usually a good sign that this is something that will not deflate overnight. Okay, going now to the method of inflation. We got this valve that we are totally familiar with all our Trekology gear, the easy inflate valve. This is a one-way valve. When you blow into it, it inflates like so. And even if I'm like pressing against it, it resists the air coming out, unless you press the handy-dandy little button on the inside, then the whole thing collapses down. So that is a great feature that comes on all Trekology products, and we love it. It makes inflating so much easier, so you're not constantly fighting the air wanting to come back out. So give me a moment and let me inflate this thing up so we can see what it looks like. Whoops. Awesome! It inflated very easily. Love it. 2 breaths and it's full. Feels very comfortable. But now it's time to get to the deluxe part of why this pillow is deluxe. Normally on an inflatable pillow, this is it. You inflate it and you kind of just lay on it. However, with this particular one, it comes with a machine washable lining on the outside, which is also the thing that the stuff bag was attached to. So I'm gonna put this on and just take a look to see how everything looks. Now, one thing when you are stuffing this, and I can see myself already messing this up, is Make sure you have the valve on the bottom so your head doesn't hit it when you're sleeping at night. Pro tip. So here we go. Remember that thing that I was saying about this affecting your sleep? Well, don't worry about it. It actually goes on the outside, so not gonna affect your sleep at all. And oh, I see, I did this backwards. There's a actual hole here. So I think I'm supposed to fit the pillow inside and then blow it up. Okay, let's do it right this time. Somewhat deflated. Pop the pillow in. Line the hole, the valve up with the hole, like so, like so. I think this will be easier the second time around. I probably won't take the actual pillow out of the cover once I have it in the first time around. So it is a little bit of work trying to fit that in there like this, which is fine if you only have to do it once. Okay. I got the valve inside, the pillow is mostly inside. I'm gonna blow it up again. Okay, so I got this pillow fitted inside the case now. A lot easier, so don't make the mistake I did. Put the valve in the hole, put the pillow in there before inflating it, and it actually just works like a charm. So this does come with the machine washable top, the cover, and this is really nice. Let's be honest, when you're out on a trail or if you're camping somewhere, you're not always washing your hair, and when you sit by a campfire, the pillows do start collecting the campfire smell or even just your sweat, and it gets pretty gross. So this being machine washable will ensure that we're getting a nice clean surface to put our heads on after a long night. The next part is this strap. Now this is not the first pillow we've seen with this strap, but we love having a strap like this. Me especially, I'm pretty fidgety and I like rolling around when in my sleep, so being able to strap the pillow onto your pad is a godsend. Now, in case you're not that person, this does unbuckle. So just take this off if you are if you like your pillow to be free. This pillow will cost you 120 grams or 4.1 ounces, meaning it's super duper light. It's less than half a cup of water's worth of weight, and it also packs down to really tiny. On the packaging it says around 6 inch by 4 inch, but I'm sure if you really roll it and compress it down, you can get it to even smaller. So again, in my opinion, an essential item when you're out on a trail or when you are camping. It will give you such a great night's sleep. It's just a godsend, and ever since Tia and I got one of these instead of using our jackets as a pillow, we've never looked back. Highly recommended, and Trekology is a brand that we are very familiar with. We have their sleeping pad, we have their camping chairs, and first of all, the quality has always been there, and secondly, when we contacted their customer service for any reason whatsoever, they always got back to us super duper quick. So highly recommend giving them a try if you are in the market for a pillow or any of their hiking gear. We have some links down below for you if you want to check them out. Yup, they borrowed some little tips and tricks from the sleeping bag world, and that's what I thought. You literally just pick up the middle, stuff it in, and everything is a nice little compact package. Okay, that wraps up our latest Trekology review of their deluxe pillow. If you like content like this, please go subscribe. It really helps us out. And leave a comment down below. Have you tried any other pillows that you like a lot? And what are some features that you think is a must-have when you are looking for a camping pillow? Let us know in the comments down below. And we're excited to talk about this, and we're excited for everybody to try out this Trekology Deluxe camping pillow.